This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Saskatchewan's getting 5 to 10 centimeters of snow on Sunday, and Snowstorm may go up to 15 centimeters of snow in Saskatchewan. People in Saskatchewan, be prepared because there's going to be a lot of snow in Regina, Saskatchewan on Sunday, March 17th, 2013. It's going to be a lot of snow. Blowing snow, whiteout conditions in Saskatchewan. It's going to be a reduced visibilities. Streets covered snow in Saskatchewan. People in Saskatchewan, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready, hats and gloves and scarves and ski pants is ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Get out your shovels and get out your snow plows and snow scoops and snow blowers ready. Because it's going to be a snowstorm in Saskatchewan. It's going to be up to 15 centimeters of snow on Sunday, March 17th, 2013. Here's my advice for people in Regina, Saskatchewan. Be very careful driving a car. Don't get in a car accident. Be extra careful. Take caution. Watch where you're driving your car, just in case a car can slip around and slide all over the place. A car could get stuck in the snow in Saskatchewan on Sunday, March 17, 2013. It's going to be a lot of snow, strong winds, reduced visibility in Saskatchewan. It's going to be lots of snow on the ground. Temperature is going to be around minus 18 degrees as a nighttime low, and it's only going up to minus 11 degrees as a daytime high. So the snow will not melt on the streets in Regina, Saskatchewan and the rest of Saskatchewan because of the Arctic high pressure system coming from the Arctic that can help to bring more snow in Saskatchewan Sunday, March 17, 2013, because it's going to be very cold outside. Wind chill up to minus 20 degrees Celsius. And on Saturday, wind chill is going to be up to minus 25 degrees Celsius. Because it's going to be very cold outside. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now because Snowstorm is heading for Regina, Saskatchewan on Sunday, March 17, 2013. The snowfall totals may go up to 30 centimeters of snow in Saskatchewan. Best of luck to you. People in Saskatchewan, be prepared for a major snowstorm on Sunday, March 17, 2013. Good luck and stay safe.